Hi, and welcome to the House Mouth. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through how to take your dental impressions correctly, so your custom fit whitening trays fit perfectly. Step 1. Prepare. Start by flossing, brushing, and rinsing your teeth thoroughly. Identify your upper and lower trays. You'll notice the upper tray is larger and more rounded at the back. Wash and dry your hands and make sure your workspace is clean and tidy. We recommend having a timer, tissues, and a glass of water handy before you begin. Step 2. Practice. Before mixing any material, take a moment to practice placing each tray in your mouth. Insert the upper tray and gently press it over your teeth and gums, pulling your lips over the edge. The tray should feel snug, but it should not press into your back teeth. Repeat this process for the lower tray to ensure they're comfortable with the fit and placement. A good tip is to practice in front of a mirror, where that will help you align the trays more accurately. Step 3. Mix. Open one set of impression material, the white base and the coloured catalyst. Using your fingers, mix them together for about 20 seconds until the colour becomes a uniform, light blue or coloured Play-Doh consistency. Quickly roll it into a small log shape. It is important that it is uniform in colour. Important tip, always work swiftly. Once the materials begin being mixed, the setting process will begin. Step 4. Fill. Place the mixed putty into one tray, pressing it evenly from one side to the other. Make sure the entire tray is filled to the rim, leaving just a small space at the back. Avoid air bubbles or gaps because you want a small surface that's ready for your teeth to press into. Step 5. Take your impression. Open your mouth wide and position the tray so your teeth line up in the center of the material. Firmly press the tray into your teeth using even pressure, ensuring the putty fully covers all of your teeth and gums. Pull your lips over the tray, hold it steady for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, then gently remove the tray by pulling the handle down for the upper or up for the lower impression. It's important not to talk, move, or bite down once the tray is in place. Step 6. Repeat. If you need to take both upper and lower impressions, repeat steps 3 to 5 for your second tray and impression. Once done, wash your hands and rinse your mouth with water. Allow the impressions to set for at least about 15 minutes before you proceed to the next step. Step 7. Post. Rinse your impressions gently for 5 to 10 seconds under cool running water. Pat dry with a paper towel and be careful not to distort the impression material. Take 2 clear photos of your impressions and submit these to be checked by our team before you return them to us. Once approved, fill in the return slip and return your impressions to us. We'll notify you once we've received your impressions and your custom fit trays are on their way back to you. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have the perfect impressions for your professional custom fit whitening trays. Should you require any further assistance with taking your impressions or require additional impression material, reach out to our team today and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for choosing the House to Mouth and we wish you all the best on your oral care and teeth whitening journey.